Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate user testing with UserTesting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin automating user testing with UserTesting, first create an account on the UserTesting website. Once you've signed up, log into your account to access the dashboard. Next, click on Create a Test to initiate the setup process. You will be presented with several options for the type of test you want to run. Select the appropriate type of test based on your project's goals, such as a usability test or a prototype test. After choosing the test type, set your target audience by specifying demographics or other criteria. This step is crucial as it ensures the feedback you receive is relevant to your user base. Once your audience is defined, move on to the test instructions. Clearly outline what you want testers to do during the session. Make sure your instructions are straightforward to avoid confusion. After setting the instructions, upload any necessary materials, such as prototypes or specific URLs. Now, it's time to set the duration of the test. Determine how long you want participants to engage with your product. Next, review your test setup to confirm that all details are correct. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking the Launch button to initiate the testing. User testing will then begin recruiting participants based on your defined criteria. Once testers are selected, you will receive notifications when they start completing the tests. As they submit their responses, you can access the recordings and insights in your dashboard. Take your time to analyze the data gathered from the tests. Look for patterns and insights that can inform your design and development decisions. Finally, use the feedback to make informed changes to your product and improve user experience. By following these steps, you can effectively automate user testing with UserTesting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.